now tuned into the greatest. Turn the music up in the headphones.
What is up, YouTube? Mark Hicks coming at you with another video. Before we get into the comparison, we got a couple unboxings. This was a shoe that I kind of just wanted to get a look at. I didn't know what I was gonna do with them. If I was gonna hold them, because lately I've been holding a couple of just random off-white collab Nike pieces. These ones seem like bricks for now, and I think they'll always be bricks. But these are the Dover Street Market, whatever. Vapor Streets, are these? Yeah, the women's Vapor Street off-white collab. What's weird about this is this hang tag thing. I mean, this tag, it isn't like the other ones where the other ones are just like plastic. Is it gonna focus so you can see? Well, you can see like the tag is like suede or something, and it doesn't even say like off-white or anything. But yeah, this is a very weird shoe, because what are these? Yeah, good luck trying these on without somebody knowing you did. But yeah, very interesting shoe. Off-white. Next unboxing is a shoe I never really reviewed on the channel, which I might end up doing. But I might as well show right now. We got a Travis Scott 6. Obviously, we all know about this shoe. Crazy hype on this shoe. I don't think it looks that spectacular. I think this is probably the worst Travis Scott Jordan. But depends how you look at it. I'm a fan of Jordan 6s, so yes, I would rock these, and yes, I might have to. Size 12. I mean, they look nice, clean. Probably some fire fits you could throw on with these, but yeah, Travis Scott 6 we've all seen. I don't know if I'll do an actual dedicated review to this shoe. It's nice though. Okay, and now for the Jordan Bred 11. This is strictly from Nike. There are a lot of fakes on the market, so hopefully this comparison will help you a little bit. I don't know how much it will, but when it comes to looking at the tags and the dates on the early Jordan 11s, I think that's a big tell. There are a lot on the market though. So it's coming from, oh, Nike receipt though. It's coming with this kind of original Jordan Just Do It Nike box. I like it. Engineered and built to the exact specifications of championship athletes from around the world. So this is mostly a Nike box. Like, it's not really Jordan. They just put Jordans in them. Air Jordan 11 Retro. Size 12. It does come with that scannable sticker again. So if you didn't know, you can scan it and it will kind of pull up the information if it's real. Retail $220, that is on the side as well. And yeah, nothing too crazy. We remember the Jordan 11s that had the plastic box and it took about 30 minutes to open up each pair. This, just black wrapping paper, and that's it. Oh, and we got our Jordan 11 card. All-Star MVP, League MVP, Finals MVP. This instant classic will leave you saying it's gotta be the shoes. So that also comes in the box, and literally nothing else in the box. Okay, now for the comparison, these shoes are a lot different. This is the 2012, this is the 2019. Just for starters, obviously my 2012 is from 2012, so it looks a lot older. Just the size of the patent leather, the new one kind of comes up a lot more than the 2012. As you can see from the front, there's a lot more black showing on the 2012 and not that much on the 2019. They're a different shade almost on the bottom. Now obviously my 2012 pair is a lot older, but you can see this is darker and this is a lot lighter on this shoe. Placement of everything seems to be the same. These are both size 12s. The back is where you can see a big difference. 2019, 2012. Look how high the patent leather goes on the 2019. That is pretty dramatic. Everything else seems to be the same. This 23 on this side might be a little bit wider. When we look at straight Jumpmans, this Jumpman, yeah, it's in the middle of the 23. I know people are obsessed with that, but it's a little bit higher. This Jumpman, look how close he is. The ball is still pretty much level with the 23, but he's a lot closer to the patent leather. And that's just because the patent leather goes up so much higher on the 2019 version. I don't know if I like it. It looks like a lot of patent leather. Like, I really like the look of this shoe. This shoe, it almost just makes the shoe look 10 times bigger. Like, I don't know what it is, but it looks like this is a size 15 and this is a size 12, but they're both size 12. The patent leather is just really high on this pair. So I guess it's just like personal preference if you like that or not. Inside, obviously, pretty much everything on my insole is worn out on the 2012, but this has the Nike Air with the size 12 tag on it, and yes, we get the red shoe tree. So, still cool. One of my favorite part about the Jordan 11 is the laces for some reason. I just really like the thick, round laces. Pretty much same on both pairs, and the middle tab even looks to be pretty much the same. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the comparison. So there's a lot of differences on the 2019. If you have the 2012, I always tell people, I mean, you can't go wrong with a fresh pair. Like, I pretty much no need to even wear the 2012 anymore if the 2019 is gonna come out, and I could just wear that one. Like, my Concords, I think I've only worn once, and then my Space Jams I've only worn once. So I don't really wear the holiday 11s that much, but I always feel like I can't pass. Like, I pass on a lot of stuff nowadays, but I always feel like I can't pass on a holiday 11. So tell me what you think. Tell me if you are going to cop, if you've already copped. Obviously, everybody loves the early pairs. They're great Christmas gifts. If you need a pair, I have them on markhicks.com. Matter of fact, I am rocking one of my first ever t-shirts with the markhicks.com. So yeah, hit up my site if you need me. If you don't, I hope everybody can cop. It should be a fairly easy cop. I just take a little bit of the pressure and anxiety off. So I know some moms are not gonna go to finish line and fill out a raffle or anything like that. But if you do, I'm always here if you need me. I hope everybody can cop. I hope it is a smooth release. Nobody fights over them. This ain't the old days no more. Just get your shoe and walk. But yeah, Jordan 11, Bred. You can't go wrong.